Electric tricycles are becoming increasingly popular among seniors looking for a dependable, convenient, and pleasant mode of transportation. These cutting-edge cars have three sturdy wheels for optimal stability and adjustable seating, making them ideal for leisurely trips or errands. Because there aren't many electric tricycle brands available, choosing the proper brand and configuration is critical. To help you find the best electric tricycle, we have compiled a list of the 7 best triple-wheel bicycle models for seniors. Let's begin. At number 7, Edmore M340 Adult SemiRecumbent Electric Trike. Prepare to elevate your travel experience with the Edmore M340 Adult SemiRecumbent Electric Trike. This eco-friendly leisure tricycle has a powerful 48-volt, 750-watt motor and a battery life of 85 miles plus per charge. To maximize comfort and convenience, the M340 tricycle is outfitted with a strong Samsung lithium-ion battery with a total energy capacity of 960 watt-hours. The detachable battery adds to the versatility of this model, while the semi-recumbent seating position provides improved support and stability when riding. Its step-through frame design provides simple mounting and dismounting for the utmost rider comfort. The M340 tricycle also provides an excellent balance of ease and power. Its high payload capacity lets you easily transport groceries, deliveries, or other stuff, making it the ideal commuting alternative for anyone searching for an environmentally responsible commute. This tricycle will make your excursions easy and sustainable thanks to its strong front motor and dependable performance. The Class 2 Fat Trike can transport you across cities, lush meadows, soft dirt roads, and hard beach sand. The motor, drivetrain, and brakes all use name brand components. It's quite heavy at 125 pounds. While engaging, the front wheel lends to spin, especially up slopes or on slick ground. Although the folding handlebar is useful, it does not lock securely. Despite these flaws, consumers believe the M340 is a decent bargain. Number 6. ThreeScore Fat Tire Electric Trike. The ThreeScore is a fat tire 3-wheel bicycle designed for folks who enjoy exploring different terrains. Not only does this tricycle have a lot of adaptability, it also has many features. The 4-inch wide low-profile tires prepare you for both on-road and off-road use, and the 24-inch front wheel rolls on anything in your path, while the rear 20 by 4-inch wheels lower your center of gravity for stability and security. One feature that you will notice right away is that this is a foldable tricycle. Aside from that, equipment such as turn signals, parking brakes, side mirrors, and electric horn add to the safety of this e-trike's riders. The strength is also outstanding. It has a 750-watt motor powered by a 48-volt, 672 watt-hour lithium battery. You can only appreciate optimal performance over vast distances with such a setup. For lengthy trips, the throttle mode is sure to allow you to go up to 45 miles and reach up to 30 mile-per-hour speeds. Furthermore, with 5 levels of pedal aid and this useful electric tricycle, most if not all of your travels will be a breeze. Apart from that, it's a geared electric tricycle with a 1x7 gearing scheme. Number 5. Virgos Wheel Electric Trike. Seniors, break free from traditional transportation limits and take control with Virgos Electric's unique tricycle. This machine packs a big punch in its small frame, with rapid travel made possible by an outstanding 250-watt motor and ultra-lightweight 36-volt 10-ampere battery. Don't settle for less when you may ride away now on this well-designed tricycle. You won't have to worry about hauling groceries or packages again with the Virgos Electric Tricycle. The sleek basket provides plenty of space for all your belongings and is an excellent solution for individuals who require dependable transportation on the run. Prepare for comfortable, stable, and ultra-convenient rides with the groundbreaking e-tricycle. With 3 various riding options, this sturdy machine can provide you or a loved one with mobility challenges and the security and safety required to quickly reach their destination, all while sitting in great comfort. The Virgos 24-inch electric tricycle has a powerful motor and comfy seating options for a pleasant ride. You also receive plenty of cargo room to keep all of your vital belongings as well as peace of mind thanks to its 1-year warranty. This makes it an excellent choice for elders who need efficiency without sacrificing convenience. What else could one ask for in a tricycle? Number 4. Edmore Trikitan M340 Electric Trikes. The 2023 Trikitan e-trike has the most contemporary EB 2.0 electric system. It is a typical e-trike that is useful for daily cycling, robust enough to handle up to 450 pounds, capable of climbing slopes, and traveling up to 90 miles. Edmore has dedicated itself to designing and developing electric tricycles for its customers. With its replaceable Samsung e-bike 2.0 battery of 960 watt-hours, the remarkable M340 tricycle for seniors provides unprecedented convenience and versatility, allowing for quick charging and changing without sacrificing performance and longevity. Furthermore, this elegant bike is designed for maximum comfort during journeys thanks to a special footplate that provides plenty of stability and superb support. Trikitan misses the lowest step-over height and a footrest to support your feet. On the other hand, its top tube is soft enough to approach, and the current top tube adds to a classic step-through electric trike with good frame integrity. The adjustable saddle has a one-of-a-kind backrest that can be adjusted up and down to accommodate individual sitting preferences. That means you can ride comfortably even on extended journeys. As a result, it is appropriate for daily commuting, delivering, grocery shopping, traveling, or walking your pet dog. Consider investing in the Trikitan M340 for all your travel needs because it strikes a good mix between accessibility and sustainability. Number 3. Buzz Serana T Electric Trike. Buzz Bicycles has made it its mission to build a sophisticated, adult-oriented electric trike. The Buzz Trike Serana T is an excellent choice for adults looking for a dependable and efficient electric trike. With a top speed of 20 miles per hour, 4 degrees of motor assistance, 7 gears, and an LCD screen display that provides real-time information on your speed, support level, mileage, and battery life, travelers can travel long distances with confidence, knowing they can conquer any terrain. Furthermore, its 36-volt rechargeable battery can travel up to 40 miles per charge. So ideally, no adventure is limited. Surprisingly, the Buzz e-bike has 24-inch wheels and huge tires. The smaller wheels reduce standover clearance, making mounting and dismounting easier, while the beefy tires improve comfort and grip. A 7-speed Shimano Tourney drivetrain, bright front and rear lights, metal fenders, a kickstand, a front basket, and rear rack bosses are the other amenities that justify the $1,499 price tag. With 2 to 6 hours of quick recharge, this electric tricycle is ideal for commuting or recreational trips, making life easier than ever. Don't pass up your opportunity to achieve mobility independence, as the Buzz Serana is your best budget choice. At number 2, Aberon Electric Trikes for Seniors. With Aberon Electric's Tricycle for Seniors, you can embrace the road and leave your troubles behind. This tricycle offers pleasant sailing for short excursions or errands, thanks to its 350-watt electric motor and replaceable 36-volt, 10-ampere-hour lithium battery system. Prepare to be green while enjoying unprecedented convenience on wheels. The Aberon Electric Tricycle offers outstanding adaptability, sophisticated control, and customization to riders. The 3 riding modes allow individuals to customize their rides while benefiting from an easy-to-use LCD. The Aberon Electric Tricycle, with its innovative design, combines comfort and convenience to provide a dependable transportation alternative. Its firm seat and strong frame give riding stability, making it an excellent choice for daily commuting or leisurely rides around town. Also, double rims combined with disc brakes improve safety, stability, and comfort while you drive. Go out on a journey with the guarantee that your tricycle will get you there safe and sound. This electric bike has features designed to ensure a pleasant, dependable, and long-lasting ride, all backed by an industry-leading manufacturer's 1-year warranty. Finally, at number 1, Edmore's Tan M340 Electric Trike. The Tan M340 Electric Trike by Edmore is arguably the best tricycle that has been carefully designed to fulfill all the mobility needs of elders. This spacious electric ride has a 5-inch LCD motor, a 25-ampere controller, and a bespoke footplate designed for maximum comfort. The step-through frame structure makes it easy to get on and off, and the adjustable seat and handlebars perfectly fit riders up to 6 inches tall. This electric trike, which has a powerful 750-watt front-mounted engine and can achieve speeds of up to 22 miles per hour, takes convenience to the next level with its replaceable Samsung Cell lithium battery, which provides reliable power for rides of up to 85 miles. The M340 also provides seniors with an unrivaled blend of performance, comfort, and utility. Its 350-pound maximum load capacity lets you bring plenty of stuff on your trips, such as groceries or shopping bags. The 24-inch front wheel and 20-inch rear wheel provide outstanding stability for a smooth ride, while the accessible cargo area makes storage pretty simple. The M340 is undeniably the best electric tricycle for all the elderly people out there. That's it for today. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more enticing videos. Adios.